Excuse me. Hello, everyone. It's day 32. Today was a light day. I went to my mom's house and went to go see her and my grandma. So I went out of town for the good part of the day today. I actually stayed up until like 1:30 in the morning yesterday. So I did technically get some coding done after midnight. I still count that. I think my walking time for today was like an hour and a half, or probably not even that much. But I averaged like 79 hours in the past 7 days. So I did all right. But yeah, so after I got back home, actually before I left, I looked back at the website and like I have a little notepad and I made like a little to-do list for like all the little changes I want to work on this week. Like spacing issues that I saw that I didn't really like, ooh, change this font, see what happens if you do that, do this, do that, oh, by the way, also my last video, I said for whatever reason, my nav bar was working on one page, but it wasn't working on the other. So I figured out why. In my JavaScript file where I did the declaration with the query selector for the services tab where I showed this, the services swipe into the page, I put that function above the nav bar. So when I clicked on the page that has, of course, the nav bar in it as well, but it doesn't have that services section, it was looking for that declaration, but it didn't exist on that page because it's in the other HTML page. So that's what was getting the error, and that's why I was working on the other page, but not in this one. So what I did was, all I did was literally just cut that declaration for the nav bar and put it at the top so that that's the first thing. Apparently, I guess JavaScript works top to bottom, kind of like CSS. So something I learned, so now I know to better organize my JavaScript. But yeah, got that working. That was a pretty quick fix. But yeah, also when I got home, I have like this Udemy course that I bought a while ago and I never took the time to look at it, but it's just, it's like a 12, 13-hour course. It's just about like button transitions, nav bar, like all the little cool little stuff that you can add to your website. So I really didn't want to code per se when I got home. But like, I just want to do something kind of fun. So I delved into that for a couple hours. For me, like, I don't know, a lot of people, all you hear about is JavaScript this, JavaScript that, but for me, I think CSS is the most fascinating thing. So like, that's why I'm really like diving deep into it, just because I like art. So it's kind of like mixing art and tech together. So that's why I like to play with stuff like that. But yeah, so website coming together. I made a video and I sent it to our friend that the website is for, and she really liked it. So that was a good thing. So finished final touches for this week, and hopefully the end of the week it'll be done. Like I won't have to keep going back and forth. I actually want to, like, instead of like starting a million things at once like I've been doing, I want to finish one thing, get it off my list, and then work on something else, finish that, work on something else. I want to like keep that up. So but yeah, overall good day 32.